No matter who you are, no matter how much money you have, no matter how powerful your friends may be, in a free society, no one is above the law.
That was now Indianapolis Mayor Joe Hogshead back in 2012 when he was U.S. District Attorney, talking about a man convicted in one of the largest white-collar crimes in Indiana history. Tim Durham was found guilty of stealing $200 million from thousands of victims and sentenced to 50 years in federal prison.
Yeah, but now he's asking to be released early. Lindsay Stone joins us now live from downtown with what the court hearing is all about. Lindsay, good morning.
Good morning to you both. The man known as the Madoff of the Midwest is set to appear at the federal courthouse here in downtown Indianapolis later this morning. As you just mentioned, he's hoping to have that sentence shortened as he is hoping to appear in court throughout the next 4 days to try to convince a judge to let him out early. Now, we've mentioned a few details, but again, starting today, he's going to use that 4-day hearing to try and overturn that 50-year sentence. Now, this all goes back to 2012. Durham was convicted of stealing $200 million from thousands of victims at Fair Finance in a Ponzi scheme. Now, Durham and his two partners were all found guilty on 10 counts of wire fraud, security fraud, and conspiracy. Now, Durham claims his legal team didn't do a good enough job of defending him. He claims that his former trial counsel failed to investigate the charges against him or subpoena necessary witnesses, among other grounds. Now, back in 2014, an appeals court overturned 2 convictions of wire fraud for Durham. That's because a U.S. Court of Appeals in Chicago failed to enter key documentary evidence into trial record. However, his prison sentence was kept the same. As I mentioned, he will be here this morning at about 9 a.m. We're going to have a crew at that courtroom, and we're going to keep you up to date on the very latest as this continues to unfold this week. For now, reporting downtown, Lindsay Stone, Fox 59 News.